Hi everyone. In today's menu, we are making semolina, also known as suji or Rava Dosa. It is very tasty and quick recipe and can be made very easily with only 5 ingredients. To start with, I am taking a mixing bowl, 1 cup of suji and 1/4 cup of wheat flour. And we also have 2 to 3 chopped chilies, some sliced curry leaves, some thinly chopped ginger and coriander leaves. We will also need half cup of curd for later. Now we will add suji and wheat flour into the mixing bowl and add the chopped ginger, chili and curd into the bowl together. Now we will add some salt and cumin seeds on top of it and then mix it all together. After mixing it, we will add 1 cup of water gradually in small bits and mix it all together so that there are no lumps in the batter. After that, we will cover it and keep it aside for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now, after 1 hour, we'll add chopped coriander leaves and curry leaves and we are also adding grated carrots here, which is optional. But you can add grated or finely chopped onions, beetroots, or even mixed vegetables. Once it is all mixed, we will heat a flat pan and meanwhile it's heating, we will check the consistency of the batter. Once the pan is heated, we will add some oil or butter or any ghee and then wipe it with a kitchen towel or paper as you can see in the video. Then pour the liquid batter, spreading it across the pan, forming a thin layer over the pan. And then let it cook for some time in medium heat. After a while, we will pour some oil or ghee on top of it so that it makes it crispy. Suji takes a little bit more time to cook than traditional rice dosa, so you have to be patient. After it starts to cook and browns up on the edge, slowly remove it using a ladle as you can see in video and flip it over. After cooking from both sides, the suji or rava dosa is now ready to be served. I hope you try this at home and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.